everyone, welcome back here, and today I want to make a 3A drink which I call the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and analgesic drink, making use of a pineapple who is ready. Yuppie. I have my pineapple which I wash the back thoroughly with a vinegar, then I peel. Recently, research has made it known that the digestive enzyme in pineapple called the bromelain has all the three properties which I call the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and analgesic property, which helps to reduce pain, either arthritis, pain of nails, pain of the joint, which is osteoarthritis, faster, 8 times faster than diclofenac drug. Also, it helps to reduce cold. It helps to reduce the mucus. Also 8 times faster than any cold relief drug. Not just the cold, helps to reduce infection. Not all the time you run to pharmacy to get drug. Anytime you have pain, anytime you have cold, or anytime you have infection, you can also make this drink to fight all this pain. Yes, pineapple has all these beneficial properties. So after peeling, I cut into chunks. Okie dokie. If you notice, the pines are still on the pineapple. So I put them inside the blender. Then I added small piece of ginger. Yes, I'm going to come back to ginger functions later, maybe anytime I'm making ginger drink. Then I added a cup of lukewarm water, not too cold, not too hot, just in between. Then I cover to beat up together in a blender. Actually, I gave it a smooth blending. Then after that, I sieve to extract the juice out, leaving the foaming part in the sieve. Trust me, I have made use of this severally for cold and for pain. Whenever I'm being stressed out, I just go to my kitchen, get my pineapple, blend, and sieve and drink. Cold gone, oops. Also, now you don't extracting our juice, you can serve it chill, warm, to your own taste. And if you know you've learned something new today, please don't forget to subscribe. Just punch the subscribe button, like, and give me a comment below. So you can also try this, tag me, thank me later, and that will be the end of today section. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I love you all.